Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Google Docs to uncover some hidden, valuable features that you might not be using. Stick around until the end to learn these game-changing tips that will make your document creation process much more efficient. You might think you know Google Docs well, but there are lots of hidden, valuable features that you may not be using. For instance, let's start by changing the default font style. By default, Google Docs uses Arial, which can be quite plain. To change it, simply highlight a line of text and select your desired font. Next, go to Format, then Paragraph Styles, Normal Text, and click Update Normal Text to match. To save this as your default style, go to Format again, then Paragraph Styles, Options, and select Save as My Default Styles. You'll see a confirmation that says, your default styles have been changed. You can confirm this by opening a new document. The next Google Docs feature is ideal for those who don't want to create a new document from scratch. You can find this option by going to File, New, and then from Template Gallery. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates based on your specific needs. This will save you tons of time that would otherwise be spent on document formatting and adjusting font and color schemes. Google has been adding some really cool stuff to Docs lately, and its new smart chips are seriously mind-blowing. With this feature, you never have to hunt around for a tool in the menu bar again. All you have to do is type the @ symbol within Google Docs, and you will see a drop-down menu with various smart chip suggestions. You can quickly mention someone, search for files, add dates, create checklists, change headings, and more, all without leaving your document. Apart from looking great, everything you tag becomes very dynamic. In the next tip, you can check who made changes to a document using version history. For example, if someone makes changes to your shared docs, you can go to File, Version History, and then see Version History. From here, choose the version you want to revert back to and click Restore this version. This is incredibly useful for tracking changes and maintaining control over your document's content. If you're creating a Google Doc that includes hierarchical formatting like different headings, you can generate an automatic outline to structure your document. To do this, go to View and then select Show Outline. This will create a clickable outline on the left side of your screen. You can also add a summary to your document by going to the Summary section. This allows anyone who opens the document to quickly navigate through complex content and read the summary. The next tip involves auto-replacing text in Google Docs using substitutions. You can find this tool by going to Tools, Preferences, and then Substitutions. From here, you can type a small snippet and replace it with a longer sentence or phrase. Now, whenever you type the small snippet and hit the Enter key, it will automatically change to the full text. Awesome, right? That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.